history. American Ninja Warrior courses. Denver was the first qualifying course that American Ninja Warrior had. All the courses are Denver, Dallas, Miami, and Mount Midoriyama. The most popular course is Miami, where the famous contestants fell. Casey Cazzaro fell on the spider wall. Football Regis fell on the jump to net. Rob Moravsky fell on the salmon ladder. Hardest courses and easy courses. A lot of people think that Denver is the hardest course. Miami, a lot of people finish. I think Mount Midoriyama is the hardest.